Tim Moore with TLC Pressure Washing, and thank you for checking out this YouTube video. It's just going to show us a very simple driveway cleaning. We cleaned the house last week, and he likes the way the sidewalks and the back patio turned out so much. They come, finish, do the driveway, we'll get it taken care of. So I'm going to make a quick little time lapse to let you see and kind of watch the process. You're going to see me set up, pre-treat, blast the expansion joints, clean all around the edges and things like that, edge it out, scrub it, rinse it, post-treat it, and be done. It's not a very difficult process. It doesn't take that long. In your time, it'll only take about 5 seconds. In my time, it's going to take a little bit longer. But anyway, you'll see how it works. Join me as we take care of it. You might have seen me do something a little different. If you noticed, sometimes I went in kind of circles as I was cleaning. I went this way, then I went this way, which I normally don't have to do. But what I noticed is this is very soft concrete. I don't know if it's just a less than quality pour, or possibly when it was poured, then they put a lot of salt out here because it might have been snowy at the time it was built, something like that. So as you go through, you're more worried about etching the concrete. So what you do is you use a little bit lower pressure, and you use, multiple passes in different directions, make circular motion, and you make sure you post-treat really well. And one way you can tell the concrete is beginning to break up is look at all the pitting where the concrete is actually coming off the surface, the top layer, the skim coat, and it's pretty bad. It's like all up in here, and it goes all the way through. So when I saw that, I knew I needed to be a little bit more concerned, a little bit more careful, and take it a little easier, a little slower, and do a little bit different technique. Same method, different techniques, just to make sure that this looks as good as it can and without any more damage to the concrete that's already there. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Have a good day now.